Hello, it's just Crafty Chantel and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you another one of these PaperCrafter magazines that are on the rack in the Joann Fabrics and probably Michael's stores as well, but I picked this one up at Joann Fabrics. So just looking at it on the front, it says the US price is $17.99, UK is $7.99, I guess that's pounds, and Canada, I think this is $19.99. So this is issue 157, PaperCrafter Elite, 70 elite projects. And so we'll flip through the magazine. We will go through the bonus pieces, the crystalline calm crafting kit, and then we will take a pause and organize a couple of pieces and do a quick demo. So let's just go through the magazine. So this magazine is a lot like the Crafter's Inspiration magazine. It has, you know, the message from the editor, a nice spread of projects, and some good how-tos, and also some advertisements to help you find out about new projects. So this is a spread for the kit that is included in it, and it talks about the designer paper and such that's included, and then it has a lot of different designs. And then here's what's coming in the next month's magazine. So I'll just flip through so you can take a look. Hello Sunshine. So this is a spread with some other projects and products that you can order online. And then here's a how-to. Lockdown life. Craft your way to positivity with these quirky quarantine greetings. So that's cool. We're all in this together. Better days ahead. Here's an easel card. Reading corner. So here's some books that are that they can recommend, or books on crafting and mindful origami. So that's a nice resource. Craft Me Quick Jarchitecture. So here's some quick card ideas. Just to use for inspiration. I kind of like these ideas just for inspiration. You know, you may have a lot of this stuff already in your kit. Kamani Devi, designer of the day. So this is nice, an example of diversity. That's pretty cool. The New Crafter's Bible. So here's some step-by-steps on crafting. And we'll just kind of speed it up a little bit. Tutorials, advertisements, more tutorials. So now this is the paper that they include. You can pull these pages out and use these as paper in your card making. So You Are My Hero. We have the medical professional, firefighters, rainbows, more medical, homemaking. And these pages, again, you can tear these out and use them as backgrounds, or you can also do fussy cutting with them and, you know, make some designs. Then more step-by-step, apertures, get kitted out, add botanical pizzazz to your greeting cards. So here's some good ideas, more inspiration. Watercolors. Okay, so that's my sister's into watercolor, so a little DIY on watercolor. Cut and emboss folders. Here's some designs, more inspiration. I think Crafter's Companion just came out with a bee kit. Digistamps. Download them, print them. No Mess Mixed Media, washes of color, gold foil. So there are also some online resources available. Craft Me Quick, sweet talking, more inspiration. A lot of good inspiration here. And step-by-steps. Okay, and then here's a little scrapbooking set. And this reminds me of some embroidery ideas, but it's kind of a mixed media using fabric and paper. And then advertising for the next issues. And then there you have it. Oh, and some scan and cut here on the back. So this is the magazine. So in case you ever wondered what was in those magazines when you see them on the shelf and if they're worth the price, that's what you get there. So now here is 50 plus pieces inside. Learn how to die cut. So what do we have here? We have the foam stickers. And then we have some 4 and 3/4 squares. So this is some cardstock. That one, let's try to adjust it so maybe you can see the sparkles in there. So 5 pieces of this cardstock that has some glitter sparkles in it. That's pretty cool. Here we have some toppers. Wishing you joy and happiness, make a wish, and watch your dreams come true. So there's 4 toppers with the red and purple. This one is more of a like pink, purple, yellow. So it looks like you get 5 pages of card toppers. Then we have some more cardstock here. This is 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. So you have your shades of pink. Here is some light green, purple. And it looks like there may be 2 of each in here. No, they look all different. They look all different. So this is your 6 by 6 cardstock. And then here are your card bases. So these are your 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 card bases. You can do the horizontal or vertical. And then we have our 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. So not quite 4 by 6, not quite 5 by 7s. Card bases. So we have 3 in the large and 3 in the small card bases. And then we have a die. So this is kind of like this die right here to do your die cutting. And then here's another picture of the die right there. So looks like they did some paper piecing and did this, cut it twice. So you got the stems in one and then you have the flowers in a second color. So, okay, now that we have gone through all of our materials, let's just take a brief pause and come up with our design. And we'll try to do it just using the materials that they provided. Okay, that was a quick pause. And I have some ideas of what I want to do. So mostly it's going to be matting and layering. And again, like I said, I want to use products from the kit mostly. So what I have here is the yellow card base, and then we can do matting and layering with this pinkish card. Use this strip, kind of like a maybe washi tape, throw that across the middle and add in a card topper. It really doesn't matter. Like, I mean, all of this stuff is so transferable and matches up really well. So that's one idea that we have. And then the next idea is to use one of these small card bases. I love the purple. I love the irises. So we'll do matting and layering with this purple iris cardstock. I'm trying to hold it different ways so maybe you can see the glitter on it. And then one of the purple iris card toppers. So there's a second idea. Then we have, just this was on my craft table, so I have a white card base. Not folded properly. There we go. So this is a 4¼ by 5½ piece of white cardstock for a card base. And then we can use the pink paper, do a full cover. Then we can go with this flower layer. And then what I'm thinking is to, again, cut a piece of washi tape out of the pink, run that across, and then use the congratulations on your special day card topper. I would probably bring in like some type of ribbon or a bow from my stash. And then last but not least, I have this green. Love this green. So pretty with the red. Then we can do a matting and layering or make a card topper, but I want to use this die from my stash and cut the green with that, add in the topper, and then I probably would add a ribbon from my stash as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start working on this. I will probably go into a light fast forward. I'm going to be using my old school Anna Griffin Cricut Cuddle Bug off to the side over here, and then also the Crafter's Companion guillotine, the smaller one for my measurements. So I will go in and just start working on these cards, and like I say, go into a slow fast forward. Okay, so here are the first three using the PaperCrafter magazine collection. So this one, I used a 4.25 by 5½ card from my stash and did matting and layering with the materials from the card. This is using their card base and matting and layering using their card topper. Then again, we use their card base, matting and layering with the middle layer. Now that I look at this, I probably could have used a die and die cut the second layer instead of just matting and layering. Then we use this middle piece as like a washi tape and a card topper. Now we're going to get into our last one, and this one we actually are going to use one of our dies. Okay, there you go. And then there's our last one. So we would go ahead and stamp these with a nice sentiment in the inside, but this one says wishing you a wonderful day. I decided not to use the die. I didn't have a lot of other paper on my craft table today, so I just wanted to use the stuff that was in here and make something really quick. So we have used, we've made 4 cards with this kit, or with this paper crafting magazine, and we've used this crystalline calm crafting kit by Stephanie Whiteman, and we've made 4 cards today. We did add some things. So what did we add? A card from our kit, and then also a die. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you are a subscriber and have been watching my channel for a while, you'll notice I took a little break because I was doing some machine embroidery projects, learning something new. Not sure I'm going to bring it to the channel, but just sticking to the greeting cards for now. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was helpful in helping you to see what's in these PaperCrafter magazines that they have on the racks in the stores. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.